Spamming will not make you any money on Facebook. Okay, so I'm going to share with you something very valuable in this video. If you are doing organically marketing on Facebook, this video is going to be something you cannot just afford to miss. Okay, the thing is, I have a Facebook friend who gives this single comment to every single post she comes through. Even in every post that I publish, she comments this single comment, which is this: awesome, love this, good morning. Okay, this single comment she gives to every comment she comes through, even in every my in my post. So this is a kind of spamming, you know that, right? She's not being genuine to the post. She is, you know, chasing engagement. Engagement is very important, I know, but if you spam to get engagement, you will only get engagement, but you will not make any money. Because in Facebook organic lead strategy, people only buy from people they like, know and trust. They like, know and trust. And I'm sure you know that nobody like a person who is spam all the time, who is not genuine and authentic. Okay, so I visited her profile to check if she makes any money or not, and I found that she has a lot of engagement. And in Facebook organic strategy, what we do is we share value in our community every day on a daily basis, and every now and then we share our offer and the product we are offering or the service we are offering. So we share this type of offer posts maybe after 2 days or 3 days, and we share value every single day. Okay, so I visited her profile and came across a similar offer post, and I really wanted to see if she really gets any people for her offer or not. Okay, so in that offer post, I saw over 350 people engaged in that post, commented in this post. Okay, so it was really amazing, but I was doubtful whether she was making any money or not. So I read through every single comment from beginning to end, and I didn't see one single person who was interested in that offer. Okay, everyone was giving comment like this post, you know, so and so, but no one was interested in that offer that she was offering. Why? Because everybody knows that this person is spamming, and that's why nobody likes her, and as a result she is not making any money. Okay, this is very valuable insight that I gained about Facebook organic lead strategy. Okay, people only buy from people they know, like and trust, and nobody likes a spammer. Okay, so my suggestion to you is be authentic in your comments. Whenever you comment on your friend's post, do not just give one comment to everybody. Okay, be legit to the comment, share your valuable lesson in the comment. Okay, share your opinion, but do not just share one comment to everybody. This is spamming. Okay, I'm doing high ticket affiliate marketing on Facebook, and I'm also a coach. I'm teaching people how to, you know, make money on Facebook by doing high ticket affiliate marketing without spending a single dollar on ads. Okay, and if you're interested in that, connect with me on Facebook. The link will be in the video description, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. My channel is new and I need your support. Please give me that subscribe right now, and it will motivate me to upload future contents. That's it. See you in my future videos.